Python is popular because it is freeware and open source software, that is FOSS. Python is maintained by PSF, Python Software Foundations, and their website is https://www.python.org. Python is freeware, that is free to use for everyone, and it is open source. That means source code is open to everyone. Since the source code is open, so we have an option to customize the code if the provided source code doesn't fulfill your requirement. And few customized versions of Python are CPython. And this is the standard flavor of Python, which means if we download Python software from PSF, Python Software Foundation, python.org, we will get this CPython by default. And CPython is used to work with C programming applications. And the next customized version is JPython or Jython. This is the customized version of Python to work with Java applications. It can run on JVM, Java Virtual Machine also. JVM can recognize this code. And the next customized version is IronPython. IronPython is used to work with C#.NET applications. And the next customized version is PyPy. PyPy was developed by third-party people, pypy.org, and this is not by PSF, and this was introduced to improve the performance. PyPy version is for Python for speed. On average, this PyPy is 4 times faster than CPython. For example, let's consider this function. This is the repeated function, and we are calling this repeated function 5 times. So whenever we're calling the same function repeatedly, we have a compiler called JIT, just-in-time compiler, so which is inside PVM, Python Virtual Machine, and this JIT compiler will come into picture whenever you are trying to execute the same function repeatedly, and it only interprets, that is converts to machine code for the first time, for the first call, and the second time onwards it just executes without interpreting the code. So the performance can be improved by using PyPy version. And the next customized version is RubyPython. RubyPython was developed to work with Ruby applications. Ruby is a programming language just like Python. So this may be used in data science applications. And the next customized version is Anaconda Python. And Anaconda Python is used to handle large volumes of data, for example, big data, Hadoop, etc. In data science applications, we have different libraries available for machine learning. For example, NumPy, that is used for mathematical operations, and Pandas to import and use datasets, and Matplotlib for visualizations, and sklearn, etc. And all these libraries are available by default in Anaconda Python. And also we have Jupyter Notebook, Spider IDE are available by default in Anaconda Python. And the next customized version is Stackless. Stackless is used for concurrency, that is to execute multiple flows, or for multi-threading. This is also for improving performance. And these are just 7 customized versions, but there are many others available, and we have to choose the customized version based on your requirement. So for example, let's say in Windows operating system, we have multiple versions available, and it is paid version from Microsoft. And in case of Linux operating system, Linux is freeware, that is free to use for everyone. And Linux has multiple flavors available since it is open source. We have Red Hat, Ubuntu, CentOS. So just like Linux, Python is freeware too, and it is open source. Alright, see you in the next video.